All right, guys, this is Leo. What's up, Leo? He is back on the floors after the UV cure. He about to have him some dinner. Ain't right, Leo? What's up,
Hey,
Leo?
what's up, guys? Happy Monday. It was raining this morning, but it stopped. That's a good thing. Anyway, guys, happy Monday. Today is October the 6th. We are out here in Conyers, Georgia. This is a client that found me, and she actually had two other companies come out, and she said, no, Courtney, we decided to go with you. So anyway, what we're going to be doing, this is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Davis. We're going to be doing a little bit over 1,000 square feet of wax removal, engineered floors, screen, recoat, and UV cure. We also have a ride along with me today, Mr. Raphael. He's from Delaware, so he followed me on YouTube, and he was very intrigued and interested in this service. So he's learning from us today. I also have to go do a in-home consultation later on today. That was a referral for wood floors between 2 and 3. So let me flip this around, guys, to show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Conyers, Georgia. There's Tavares. So right now we're just setting up. Mr. Raphael is laying down the emulsifier. Okay. And show you what we're doing. So I brought me some more light in here because they really had no light in here. But guys, if you can look really close, also shout out to Christian. Christian and his guys came out this morning and moved the furniture from Mr. and Mrs. Davis. So we're going to be going around. You can see where they went around the rug. So all this is wax on the floors. All this is wax. That's why you can see those scuff marks. See all that? That's all wax on the floor. So what we're going to do, guys, is take all this wax off. And also, they're going to be doing their countertops as well. Their granite countertops. We're going to clean them. They feel really rough, really gritty. We're going to clean them, buff them, polish, and seal them. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and do the countertops. I'm sorry, the wood floors first. See all those scuff marks, guys? See all that? All right, see all that? It's all wax. This is Mr. Raphael from Delaware. So he's out with me today and tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a huge screen of recoat. And you can see that it's slippery already. Oh yeah, see that, guys? That's all the wax breaking off these floors. All right, so what we're doing now is just emulsifying the wax. Then we're going to use the culture to clean it. And then we're going to screen it, put down the RadCoat, all right, guys, and UV cure. See all that wax coming off? Look at that. That's wax.
Time down in Conyers, GA, wax out, shine on, let's go! Rolling up that Truman van, sunrise glow in the sky, and skateboard's been crying for life, now they testify. Wax removal, deep groove revival, screen and coat so clean. UV light shining bright, we carrying that dream. We in Conyers, Georgia, making them floors reborn. Got their red coat finish glowing every morn. From the wax to the wood to the granite so fine. Truman came through, now everything shines. Marching band, brass in the back, snare drum cracking loud, buffer spinning, granite winning, Truman making mama proud. From the floor to the counter, perfection we bring, like a rock show revival. Hear that UV sing, boom clap, shine that floor, bang bang, UV more. Let the crowd feel the cure, let the granite gleam. Truman Hardwood, specialist American dream.
just got back. Me and Mr. Davis are just doing a walkthrough, just seeing how good the floors look. All that wax came off. Oh, I gotta do a little touch up right there. But overall, man, the floors came out immaculate. Actually, one of my friends came and looked at this floor, and the clients thought they had to replace the floor. They would have been looking at about 10 to 12,000 to replace. But we was actually able to save these floors for a fraction of the price. Now I will say too, guys, I did add some glue back, but they got about, and the good thing, just like the last wax removal we did in Lawrenceville about 2 weeks ago, sometimes they don't have enough glue on those boards, and when they come in contact with that moisture during the cleaning, they'll kind of lift up, and that is in my agreement. But as long as they have extra boards, and Mr. and Mrs. Davis said they did, my guy Aaron, he'll just come take those boards out and then put the new boards in. So that's the good thing about these floors. You can just replace the boards, and you don't have to sand them because they're already pre-finished. So what I'm going to do is also too, we did the countertops, cleaned and buffed and sealed the countertops. Feel nice and smooth. Got all that residue off. All right. Just confirmed my appointment for tomorrow in Gainesville, screen and recoat. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start the UV cure and do a few touch-ups. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I am done. My client, Mr. Davis, he just walked on the floor. He said, man, that UV is something. And you can really feel it, guys. Like I said, you will have to experience to feel it. But once that UV light hits this finish, and it's the only finish that can be UV cured is RadCoat, the floors just feel so slick and so smooth. I mean, sometimes, you know, especially with the dogs, they'll start running and they'll be running in place. But that's because you have a great superior finish on this floor. So Christian them is on their way back to put the furniture back. Floors came out great. The main objective was to get the wax off and put a good coating on the floor. We also did the granite countertops. Look at that, guys. Look at that reflection. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. So I did get them in contact with Aaron. They also have a few other boards they're going to have Aaron replace under the refrigerator. Someone tried to fix something right there. That board right there is kind of, that was already there though before we even started. They showed that to me when I came out. But then also those few boards that lifted. So I'm going to say about 4 or 6 boards that need to be replaced. But overall, guys, client is happy. I'm happy. Floors came out great. Another job well done by Truman. My guys are headed back. No, not my guys, but my network partners, Christian and his team are headed back to move the furniture back. And we are done. All right, guys. Tomorrow, we have a huge screen and recoat in Gainesville. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.